So I am opening the engine after the first test run. Look at the nozzle casing, which is made up of cast iron. It was not much affected by the heat, but the turbine was much more heated during the working. There is noisy effect in the bearings. I think I have not supplied the lubricant to the bearings, but it worked properly. Look at the combustion chamber. I think it was red hot during the working. I have made these additional holes for the supply of proper oxygen to the fuel. The noisy effect on the bearings is due to the lack of lubricant to the bearing. Look at the bearings. These are normally steel bearings. You can see the noisy effect. So that's all. The first test run of the engine was much good. In the second test run, I will use the diesel or liquid fuel for the engine, and a proper amount of lubrication or cooling for the bearing will be required after the next run. So everything will work in a good condition. Maybe in the second run I will use the tachometer for the RPM measuring, and temperature measuring device will be used for the temperature measure. Pressure gauge for pressure, and I will use the weight balance for the thrust measuring, that is for the power checking of the engine. So everything is good in condition. Yesterday was the proud moment for me. I was not thought that the engine will work in the first run. Everything is fine. So let's end the video. That's all. My name is Himanshu Karma from Mechanical Branch, second year in Handia Polytechnic. Thanks.